Campaign Monitor Deliverability. Best Practices and Tools, Warmy blog. Email deliverability is crucial in digital marketing, ensuring your emails reach the intended inboxes. Many marketers struggle with low deliverability rates, affecting their efforts' success. Optimizing email deliverability with Campaign Monitor can improve your email marketing outcomes. Email deliverability refers to the ability to successfully deliver emails to recipients' inboxes. It directly impacts the visibility and engagement of your marketing messages. Poor deliverability means your emails might not be seen or acted upon, harming your marketing efforts. Key metrics to measure deliverability include bounce rates, open rates, and spam complaints. High bounce rates indicate delivery issues, while open rates assess initial email success. Spam complaints can damage your sender reputation and overall deliverability. Factors influencing email deliverability include sender reputation, content quality, list quality, and engagement levels. Implementing authentication protocols like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC can also enhance deliverability by confirming email legitimacy. Campaign Monitor, known for its user-friendly interface and analytics, operates in a complex digital landscape. Maintaining high deliverability rates on this platform requires understanding and optimizing key performance areas. Key areas to monitor in email campaigns include bounce rates, open rates, and spam complaints. Regularly cleaning email lists, using double opt-in, and leveraging segmentation tools can align your campaigns with industry standards. Campaign Monitor offers tools to optimize email performance, such as detailed analytics, drag-and-drop email editors, and automated workflows. These features help improve deliverability and engagement rates by ensuring relevant and well-timed emails. Using tools like Warmy.io can further enhance deliverability by improving sender reputation through systematic warming and comprehensive testing. This process helps classify emails as legitimate, reducing the chances of being flagged as spam. Warmy.io's free email deliverability test shows where your emails land, checks blacklists, and reviews authentication. The SPF and DMARC Generator boosts email placement, and you can try everything with a 7-day free trial at no cost. Appreciate your time with us. Check out Warmy.io and hit like and subscribe to stay updated.